Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 EMA on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and that simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then click on this icon right here. Now click on F+, go to trend and choose moving average. Click on it. We have here period, for example, type 20. Okay. And we have here method, make sure you choose exponential, this one. We have here style, we have 2 pixels. This is for the thickness of your EMA, okay? So let's choose, for example, 4. And this one is for the color. Let's choose, for example, blue. Click on save. Let's go back. And as you can see here, this is the 20 EMA. Now let's add the 50. Click on the icon again, F+, moving average. Change this one to 50. Make sure the method is exponential. Thickness I will keep 4 pixel, but the color I will change it, for example, to orange. Click on save. Let's go back, and as you can see, this is the 50 EMA and this one is the 20 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.